Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Tonight I'm going to talk about my favorite indicator that I use, the RSI indicator. The Stock Planner channel is about education and sharing ideas. Nobody's making any trade advice. Do your own due diligence, learn it, and win. Let's get started. Without any delay, I'm going to tell you that I use mainly three indicators: the zero lag MACD, the stochastic RSI, and the RSI. And my favorite is the RSI. The RSI is called the Relative Strength Index. It's a momentum indicator, and it's an oscillator. It oscillates from 0 to 100. Why I like it, it shows me the overbought condition and the oversold condition. When it's below the 30 and above the 70, it's telling you that there might be a reversal. I use it in a traditional way. Another way of using the RSI is if it's past the 50, it's used as a trend, and it shows that the stock is trending above 50. I just use it to signal overbought and oversold, and I use it with other indicators. So in this case, the RSI is below the 30, and I usually wait till it come around, but that would have been about here, and I catch that trend. Likewise, if it's above the 70 and come back around, that's when I take a trade. And this would have been a 2-bar quickie. I'm not sure that'd be 8%. I usually try to go for 8%. It's not foolproof, and I use it in conjunction with other indicators. But what I'm trying to do is predict the swings, these major swings, tops and bottoms, capture the swings early, and capitalize on that. I'm a swing trader. We're in a situation where the RSI is above the 70. Is this going to be overbought? I'm inclined to say it is. Coincidentally, I just did a analysis on this. It's a strong company. This is a shipping company. It has a very good future, and it's growing. So taking a short here, you wouldn't take it very long, and perhaps maybe just waiting for a pullback and then taking that out and buying, going long on the pullback. The reason why I like these swings is I buy options. In other words, once I capture the swing, I say, okay, for the next 20 or 30 bars, it's going to stay below the top, and likewise the bottom. And like I say, I would have lost money here. RSI, showing overbought, oversold conditions. My favorite indicator. And I use it to predict reversals. By the way, this is the zigzag indicator. It's perfect. Look, why can't I use that? Because it draws these lines only when it has perfect information. That means it looks to the future. We're sitting here. We don't have that ability to look to the future. So we don't know if it's going down or up. But right now, the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. And it's a possibility that it's going to go down. If these bars would be up here, this line would be continuing. It stopped. So a lot of times I scan a list of stocks looking for when the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. That's when I like to look for the other trades. Overbought. Oversold. I would have picked that up nicely. Overbought. Here's another example. RSI would have caught this one. RSI here would have been a loser. RSI here would have been a winner. RSI here would have been a loser. And now it's saying it might go up. That would be 3 out of 2. You need to use other indicators so that it eliminates this noise. This is Target. This has been trending up, and that's great. We had a pullback after a trend up. We had a pullback here. The RSI is above, came back around. That would have been there. The RSI is below. Is it going to go up? I don't know. RSI below, below, below. And this would have been all nice trends up. But this one and this one would have been losers if you took the trades only with the RSI. But what the RSI does for me is allows me to look for these reversal points. And I have a program that signals these out. And I usually wait till the RSI comes back around, and that's when I go ahead and take the trade, because you could have this bounce for a couple days and you have to wait, or you would have lost, that trade would have been losing. If you took a short, as soon as it goes above the 70, you would have lost. One last stock is Deckers, and we try to capture these swings. That's what I use the zigzag indicator. So I use it, and then I see if the other indicators I'm using help do a job for me. Come back around here. and that would have been and you could have probably picked up, that's 8%. Here, that would have been great. Here, that would have did it, definitely. And here, that would have definitely done it too. Here, yes. Here, yeah. Some stocks do better with the RSI than others. And so I have 350 stocks that I know their names. And I run a back test and got 54 stocks that trade well, 54 out of these 350 that trade well with the RSI. And then going forward, those are the 54 that I rely on. I still can for the 350, especially on days where I'm looking for a trade. But these are the ones that I rely on. DEC is one of those. So is Target. So is Lowe's. So is Home Depot. Cat used to be, Caterpillar, but lately it's not been performing well. The RSI, just one of the indicators in my toolbox. Do you use the RSI? Do you use it with conjunction with other indicators? So I use two other favorite indicators, and that is the MACD. When the MACD is below the zero line, that's a time where I can go long. When the stochastic RSI comes back around, and when the RSI comes back around, that's when I take it. I use it. I try to get the three to coincide. There's a deep short, a lot of distance between the zero line. That's when I can go short. RSI, stochastic RSI comes back around, and the RSI come back around. That's when I can take it, and that's been a winner. This is pretty close to the zero line. I might just tangle loose. Now it's getting deep, and so maybe when the MACD gets to be a red dot, and the stochastic RSI comes back around, and this comes back around, and if they all occur at the same time, that's the time to take a long. I use the RSI with other indicators. MACD, stochastic RSI, and the RSI. I hope this helps. By the way, if you like this setup, I've provided a link below. And if you like this setup, I put lots of information out on my Discord chat under Stock Planner. It's free. Stock Planner. Check it out. Okay, in conclusion, RSI was my favorite indicator. I wonder what your favorite indicator is. There's hundreds of different indicators out there. You have to learn how to trade them. Pick one and get started. TradingView is free. TradingView is free. You get 3 indicators. I'm using 4 here. But you can do without the stochastic RSI. And I have, by the way, all my settings provided in that link below, and there's a video. Okay. Happy trading. Do your own due diligence. Catch you on the flip. Happy trading.